Hello and welcome to yet another of these vlog updates. The first big update for today is that today is of course Thalia's birthday. Good wave there, Thalia. Right, so in other news, of course, with it being her birthday, that does mean that this week's video is of course also Thalia's first ever video. So make sure you are watching that and show some love, give her plenty of likes and comments and show your support for the birthday girl with her first bit of completed content. So that will be an exciting little birthday celebration there, belated celebration, and that's coming out this Friday. As far as previous uploads go, last Friday's video we had a bit of an annoyance with. So you might have noticed that we've started doing a few things on TikTok, a little bit of extra promotion on there. I had mentioned it in a previous vlog. Of course, because of the content of this one, with us setting Thalia on fire,
we did indeed.
Yep, it got instantly flagged.
Out also, guys, if you haven't.
Yeah, watch that video. But yeah, it got instantly flagged as a community guideline strike. So that is a fantastic start to our time on TikTok. Video number 2, first time we've used it to promote something, gets taken down and no one sees it. So that's a pain. Yeah, with that, and yeah, so this week is Thalia's first video. As I said, it's about time, as it is her birthday time. And then the following week is going to be the Halloween special, which is something that I'm currently working on now. So make sure you do tune in to watch that one as well. The theme with that is going to be the science behind the classic movie monsters. But aside from that, thank you for watching and carry on doing it. Bye.